Hello children, our chapter is sound. We have completed the chapter, so let's just do a small recap on sound. What is sound? See, sound is a form of energy. It is produced when air molecules vibrate in a particular pattern. See how we can produce sound? Due to vibration of objects. Sound production of musical instruments. That type of sound depends on the type of instrument. String instruments make music by plucking or striking the strings. Wind instruments make music by blowing on the top of the instrument. Percussion instruments make music by striking or shaking the instrument. Uh, Non-drum percussion instruments, when they are beaten or struck, they'll produce sound. How do humans produce sound? See, we human beings have a voice box which is present in our throat. By using this only we are producing sound. Our voice box has two vocal cords in which there is a narrow slit will be there. Through that air will pass through it. So while passing vocal cord starts to vibrate. Propagation of sound produced by animals. See, animals like cats, horses, cows also produce sound by using their vocal cords like human beings. But birds produce sound with the help of their cartilages present in their windpipe. Insects produce sound by vibrating their wings. Propagation of sound through a medium. See, sound always requires a medium to travel from source to its receiver end. Sound cannot travel through a vacuum as it lacks any medium of transmission. Speed of sound. See, the speed of sound through air is about 330 meter per second. The speed of sound through water is about 1500 meter per second. How do we hear sound? See, we hear sound with the help of our ears. So the sound enters the ear through the ear canal. So it makes our eardrum to vibrate. Eardrum sends the vibration to the inner ear. From there, the signals go to the brain and then we hear the sound. Characteristics of vibration. There are three characteristics. Amplitude. Amplitude means maximum displacement of particles from their mean position due to vibration. Frequency. The number of oscillation an object takes per second, that is referred to as frequency. Time period. Time taken for one complete oscillation of a sound wave is called time period. Characteristics of sound. Loudness. Loudness depends upon the amplitude of the sound. If the amplitude is less, the sound is feeble. If the amplitude is more, the sound is loud. Pitch. Pitch depends upon the frequency of the sound wave. Quality. Quality is the characteristics of musical sound which enables us to distinguish between the sounds of same pitch and loudness. Audible and inaudible sound. The sound that can be heard by human ears are called audible sound. The sound that cannot be heard by human ears are called inaudible sound. The range of audible sound is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Music. Sound which is pleasing to the ears, that is referred to as music. Noise. Unpleasant sounds are referred to as noise. Noise pollution. The presence of unwanted sound in the environment. Due to this, it have harmful effect on human health and well-beings, that is referred to as noise pollution. See, it is caused by various sources like vehicles, explosion, and then machines, loudspeakers, etc. Harmful effects, health related problems like insomnia, hypertension, anxiety. How we can control? We can ban the firecrackers. Factories should not be in the township areas. Vehicles should always be maintained properly on time. Activity. Make a list of different types of sound from your surroundings and classify them as pleasant, unpleasant, audible, inaudible, musical, and noisy sounds. Assignment. List various ways in which you can help to reduce noise in school and in your neighborhood.